Hello, friends. Today is an unboxing of an HMT watch. This, which I bought it from HMT ABD showroom directly. I visited HMT showroom and I got this watch from there. In fact, I bought close to two or three watches there. So this model is called as Lalit. This is in gold color, the Lalit version, and the model name is LGG202. So I got this for around 1150 rupees from the HMT ABD showroom. So, and it comes with a old style HMT box. We'll open the box and check how is the product. So it comes with this plastic wrap, which I'll remove it. Then we'll open this and get back to the watch. And this is the watch, guys. It's a pretty small sized dial. I think this should be around only 32 millimeters, which perfectly suits women's wrist. Even the men with the smaller wrists of around 5.5 to 6 inch, 6.5 inch, they can use this without any issue. So this comes with a leather strap, which is black shiny leather strap, which is of not so much of good quality. I think this would not be even a leather strap. This is a somewhat a resin strap, and the buckle is in gold finish. We'll first see the back side of the watch. It says HMT model and then SS back. So this is not a stainless steel body watch, but the back is made of stainless steel and the case is made of brass. And I think by default this should come with 30-meter water resistant, and the case itself is um, done in gold shiny color. And we'll see the dial now. The speciality of the dial is, look at this dial. It's really an awesome dial. I wish this watch could have been in at least 36 millimeter size as other HMT watches. Those are like Kohinoor and Tariq, but this is pretty small watch. I think Lalit model was earlier released from HMT in many variants, especially for gents and ladies as well. But this looks like more suitable for the women's wrist. And see the dial. Wow. Haha. I really like this dial very much. When I saw this in the showroom, I really got impressed. And the reason behind this is it's literally like a gold dust on the dial. Can you see the shining? And I didn't find any such watch dials from HMT, and this was the only piece available at the showroom. So I immediately grabbed this one, and to my luck, they were running some offers, and I got this at a very affordable price of 1150 rupees. And see the dial, it comes with the Lalit branding at the top, 12 hours, and at 6 hours we have HMT and quartz logo, and below you can see it in very small font, made in India, and the model name JGSL02. And you can see the hour, minutes and seconds hands are done in gold, and the surrounding markers for the hour, that is 12 1 2 3, these are actually an applied indices with a small golden dots which are not a painted one, but as you can see here, these are really the applied markers. And it also has the small markers, dot markers, which are printed to show the minutes. And see the dial again. I'll just flash it with the light strip, and you can see literally the dial glitters. Yes, the golden glitter, or I would call it as I told you, the golden dust. Really beautiful. And since I have a bigger wrist of 7 plus inches, I'll just wear it and show it on my wrist. So this is how it looks on my 7.5 or 7.4 inch wrist. Looks pretty small. It actually looks smaller than the Casio F91 for my wrist. Looks almost like a girlish watch. But if you are having wrist size of below 6.5 inch, this would suit you well. And yes, we'll see the glitter again on the dial, the golden glitter, the golden dust, the golden paint spray, whatever you call it. See the dial. Really awesome. And as I told you, this is really rare watch. According to me, I didn't get any such watches even in Google searches. I could see similar watch in a big brand. I don't get the model of that at the moment, but a really awesome piece. In case if you're lucky, you could try your luck at the HMT ABD showroom and it will be yours. So if you have any questions, please post in the comments. I'll try to reply. That's it for today, guys. Thanks and have a good day.